So today I'm going to be injecting Juvederm Voluma into the temples. As most people know, Voluma is excellent for injecting the cheeks to restore lost volume. As we age, we lose a lot of volume, especially in this area of the cheek. And so it helps to give a little bit of what I call liquid cheek lift to inject Voluma in this area. One area that a lot of injectors and patients frankly don't pay attention to are the temples. And we also lose a lot of fat in the temple itself. Now for this patient, because it's not very painful, she's actually not going to be, we actually have not done any topical numbing at all. So I can use just a simple ice pack, apply a little bit of ice to it, and then go ahead and inject, and there's really no discomfort in doing so. So a lot of patients actually choose with some of these cheek and temple injections not to have any topical numbing because they're really not painful injections at all. So first I'll apply a little bit of ice to the area. I've already primed the syringe. Just a few seconds of that. And then I go right down. It goes fairly deep. Okay. I have a one-handed technique where I check, make sure that there's no vessels around. And one key to these injections is to go very slow. You don't want to go too fast with injections like this. This gives you a much more even outcome. I also like to limit my number of sticks. So what I'll do is I'll redirect, again checking, making sure it's safe, again going very slow. Good. Alright, every now and then, if it lifts up at all, no bleeding. Sometimes the muscle will spasm a little bit, but it didn't here. Did you feel anything there? No? Great. Voluma is, in the studies, is shown to last up to 2 years. And those studies weren't done in the temples, but there's no reason to think that it wouldn't last the same amount of time or potentially even longer in this area. Because there we go. Perfect. Now I'll massage everything, and after massage, the filler will be in place, and there should be no bruising and no evidence of this treatment whatsoever. So how'd that go for you?
Great. No pain?
Nothing. Great.
No.
It already looks fantastic. So
good.
This should last you for quite a long time.
Good.